Not wey person no dey see these days o. Just imagine as cute as this baby wey una just dey see here so. The mother of this baby gave birth to him. The next thing wey the woman do, e carry this baby go put for inside sock away. Na the sock away wey she put the baby na una dey see here so. Wey many women dey pray so hard make God bless them with their own children. Na some of you go carry belle for good 9 months, you come put to birth. You don see motherless own baby, go carry that child go put. Rather, you go just carry that baby put am for roadside, or you go put am for inside sock away or pit. Some of una get mind. The state where this particular incident take happen na for Ogun State, where little children dey play for outside. As those kids dey play, na there they say they hear the voice of something for inside sock away. As they hear the voice, na no children na, they come quickly go tell one woman say make the woman come make she come see say e be like say cock, either fowl dey cry for inside sock away. As the woman quickly reach there, make she really go see the cock wey dey for inside sock away, e come happen to be say na newborn baby na dem put for inside. Na on the 8th of August 2020 na this thing happen. So as the woman come see say na baby na dey cry for there, before you know it, she come quickly call police officers for that community for Ogun State there. As police officers come, they come call welder make e come cut the rod wey dey for the sock away. As they don cut the rod now, they come rescue the baby out. Right now, the baby dey for this medical care center. They wan go take care of the baby there, to bath the baby, clean the baby up. Just imagine, how can a woman be so wicked to that extent? You carry pikin wey you suffer carry for good 9 months. Now wow, if you know say you no want baby, well, now they even dey use body to body. There are many ways to prevent yourself not to get pregnant. Either you use contraception, or you go say make that man dey use this thing, this rubber. No one make I mention am because of YouTube. You go put rubber before you go penetrate inside. As cute as this baby, one woman go just carry go put am for inside sock away. The rate wey some of una take dey do evil for that our country, make una reduce am o. Una know how many women wey dey pray day and night make Baba God bless them with their own pikin. The one wey God don still give, you no know how many children wey you go born in future. The one wey you just first born now, you just get mind to go put am for this kind place. My people, how una see this whole thing? Wetin una think say dey cause am for their body? Either you go hear say they put baby for roadside, or they put am for inside pit, or you go hear say nurse go thief baby, or the mother wey carry that pikin for good 9 months, e don still go sell am out. Why? Now wow, I just hope that the police officers make them fit find the mother of this baby, if they go even fit find am. Sometimes e fit even be say the area where the woman where e gave birth to this baby dey, e go dey far away from where she come take dump the baby. So wetin una think? because e no go fit be the area where she dey na she put this pikin. So now wow, tomorrow now, by the time the woman will come eventually come say she wan settle down, she wan marry, maybe she go come dey look for pikin make she born. That time she go come think back, come dey try to trace this child. It's already too late. I so much believe, my people, honestly, say for you as a woman to get mind to carry innocent baby go put for roadside, put am for inside pit, e no dey good. Look for somebody to dash the baby to. Honestly speaking, or you carry am go motherless baby home. That would be the best solution. You carry belle for 1 month pass, 2 months pass, 3 months pass, till good 9 months. You don't know say when you go don born this pikin, if at all you dey think say where you go fit take see money wey you go take care of this baby wey you wan born. So children dey bring luck. E dey bring luck. Even you no even get money sef, the very day wey you go just put to bed, na so open doors go just dey for you. Help go just dey come from different places. Many of una no know. Na the food wey you go chop, na the baby go still chop. Even some of those ladies or girls wey dey do this kind thing, if I tell una the kind mind wey some of them dey get, una no go believe. Some of them, they go just get belle. Nobody go even know, especially if that person na the kind of woman wey be say they get small pregnancy. Now so they go just cover am, use all this ghetto, wetin dem think say they go use to take hide am until the very time wey they wan fall into labor. Na they go even stop to dey wear this thing wey dem dey wear. They go dey suffocate that little innocent child for their belle. Una wey dey do this thing, e no dey good. Your mother send you to life, na im make you still put to birth to another baby. If you no fit take care of this baby, give the child to your mother. Give that child to your family member. Or look for somebody to give that baby to with your sincere heart. Dash am to that person. If possible, instead of you to just go put baby for inside place like this. If not be those small children wey come see this child now, nobody for even know say pikin dey for inside that sucker way. Now wow, now get mind sha. So my people, how una see this whole matter? I just pray sha make police finally find the woman. If they not find her, make them carry this baby go motherless baby home. They go take good care of this baby. At the end of the day, they'll give this child to somebody wey go fit cater for this child. Thank God for the life of this baby. Say they finally rescue him out. So anyway, my people, now wetin just dey happen for inside Naija, na be this. So put your comment, press the like button. Don't forget, remember to subscribe and press the bell sign. See you in my next video.